Decorating a small room can be challenging, but with the right techniques, you can create an illusion of a larger room. Today, we will explore some practical tips and tricks to make your small room appear more spacious and inviting. Light and bright colors. Opt for light and neutral colors on your walls, ceiling and floor. Light colors reflect more natural light, making the room feel airy and open. Avoid dark or bold colors as they tend to absorb light and make the space feel smaller. Utilize mirrors are a fantastic tool to create an illusion of space. Place a large mirror on one of the walls to reflect light and give the impression of a larger room. In fact, you can also use mirrored furniture or decorative mirrors strategically to enhance the effect. Strategic furniture placement. Consider the layout of your furniture to maximize the available space. Place larger furniture pieces against the walls to create an open flow in the center of the room. Avoid blocking windows or doorways, as this can make the room feel cramped. Multifunctional furniture. When living in a small space, it is important to invest in multifunctional pieces of furniture that can serve multiple purposes. Consider items such as bench storage, bunk beds, and built-in cabinets. These pieces can help save you space while also adding visual interest to the room. Optimize natural light. To enhance the amount of natural light in a room, it's important to keep windows free from heavy curtains or blinds. Instead, consider choosing sheer or light-colored window treatments that allow soft sunlight to filter through. Not only does natural light brighten up the space, but it also creates an open and inviting atmosphere. Declutter and organize. A cluttered room can feel cramped and overwhelming. Keep your small space tidy and organized by decluttering regularly. Invest in smart storage solutions like floating shelves, under bed storage, or multifunctional furniture to maximize storage without sacrificing floor space. Use vertical space. When space is limited, maximize the use of vertical space. Incorporate tall bookshelves or wall-mounted storage units to elevate belongings off the floor. This not only expands storage options but also directs the gaze upward, creating an illusion of heightened room dimensions. Choose the right lighting. Proper lighting can significantly impact the perception of space. Incorporate a combination of ambient, task, and accent lighting to create a layered effect. Use adjustable lighting fixtures to highlight specific areas and create depth in the room. Opt for minimalist home furnishings. In a small room, less is more. Avoid cluttering the space with too many decorative items. Instead, opt for a minimalist approach with a few carefully chosen pieces. This will create a clean and uncluttered look, making the room feel more spacious.